Are you tired of hustling non-stop and still struggling with sales? You're not alone. Digital marketers and course creators everywhere are facing the same challenge. The key question is, how do you build a marketing system that turns leads into customers reliably? This guide breaks down actionable steps to help you overcome this hurdle. We'll draw on lessons from Russell Brunson's popular courses, including ClickFunnels and Traffic Secrets. By the end, you'll know how to build a marketing system that works smart, not hard. Many marketers start with enthusiasm, but quickly hit hurdles. Working with too many platforms leads to chaos. Leads don't flow consistently, and conversion rates suffer. Each promotion feels like starting over. The solution isn't more hacks or effort. It's a streamlined system that guides people from stranger to buyer while reducing your workload. But to create a scalable, sustainable marketing system, focus on these 5 core elements. First, build high-converting funnels the ClickFunnels way. Avoid spreading yourself thin. Start with one well-crafted funnel that leads your ideal customer from landing page to purchase. This focused approach allows for automation and easier optimization. Imagine a course creator who shifted from managing 5 platforms to a single webinar funnel. Her leads tripled and sales became predictable. Next, drive consistent traffic without getting stuck in a content hamster wheel. Utilize Russell's Traffic Secrets to create sustainable traffic channels. Focus on both organic growth and paid ads with retargeting strategies. For example, a small agency used the Dream 100 strategy to secure guest podcast spots, significantly boosting leads. The third element is perfecting your offer and funnel structure for maximum conversions. Your funnel is only as good as your offer. Use DotCom Secrets to create a value ladder, low-ticket products to attract leads, core offers, upsells, and high-ticket services. Data shows that marketers with structured funnels can boost revenue by 20 to 30% with upsells. Fourth, build trust and authority. Authenticity sells. Craft your origin story and share why you created your product. A consultant who shared behind-the-scenes insights built a loyal audience, reducing the time it took for leads to convert. Lastly, scale your marketing system, not your workload. The Prime Mover course highlights the importance of smart systems. Automate tasks such as onboarding and follow-ups. For instance, instead of manually reaching out to every new customer, implement an automated email sequence. Common roadblocks include funnels not converting, insufficient traffic, and feelings of overwhelm. To tackle these, reassess your offer, revisit your Dream 100 list, and simplify your marketing strategy. Building a scalable marketing system isn't about overwhelming yourself with more tasks. It's about crafting an engine that effectively moves leads through every stage of the process. To take your marketing to the next level without burnout, consider investing in foundational trainings that can transform your business. Start mastering one aspect and build from there. Now is the time to focus on your next steps. Automate what you can and watch your marketing engine scale with you in control. For resources to help you with your journey, check out the links in the description.